चल रहा है क्या?
हाँ दौड़ रहा है, बैठ जा।
Okay. Hi guys, this is Lalita and I'm from Hyderabad, Dil se Hyderabadi. So yeah,
Lalita, tell me about your best memories in CBIT.
let me start with the quintessential things, that is the classes. Uh, so yeah, first let me start with the best classes that I had. Yeah, first thing, MGR sir's class. Uh, he still calls me roll number 23. So that was like amazing class. And next is Samyula sir. I don't know how that guy got a job here, seriously. But yeah, these people actually submitted Xerox copies of one single assignment, 50 copies, and he gave 5 marks to everybody. So yeah, that guy is crazy. So classes are really fun, and we also had dreadful classes like Subhadra ma'ams. But yes, classes were fun with all the people around. And after that, yeah, the biggest part of my CBIT life, that's Communicando. Literati gave me like a bunch, maybe a ton of memories, and it actually kind of helped me evolve from an adolescent to adult, to be honest. So yeah, those were like great memories that I had. And then yeah, one thing that I'm going to miss for sure about CBIT is the Dandiya of Shruti. I haven't missed even one single Dandiya for all 4 years. Next year, I'm gonna miss that. So yeah, next question please.
What do you think the biggest failure in CBIT?
Okay, my biggest failure in CBIT is again around Samyula. So that guy, he was crazy in class. So we started making trolls and memes, and we thought we would become overnight success by starting a Facebook page on him, and he'll become the next Kapil Sharma of CBIT, and we could actually beat CBIT Mazhaka, and we went on making memes. But then we realized that it's not just making memes, but you need to know how to post them and how to attract the crowd. And we failed miserably. That page stopped at 35 likes. So yeah, we failed miserably there.
We are very interested to know about your crush.
Okay, crush. These are some things that I need not.
It's me, no?
I'm straight. Go away. It's Varun Manjuluri. It's Varun Manjuluri, the awesome singer. I just wish I was born 2 years earlier, so I could have better memories with him. So yeah.
So, how do you say Lalita in a single word?
Lalita in a word. I would say Aflatun, mad, crazy, and pseudo intellectual. So yeah, Aflatun it is.
So who do you think should make the first move according to you?
First move. I don't know. It's a tough question, but I think the desperate one should make the first move.
And what are the subjects that interest you a lot?
Subjects that interest me. Okay. I didn't want to become an engineer. I like chemistry first. Then I like politics. I also like graphic design. So yeah.
And any movie or TV character that you can relate to?
I wouldn't say somebody I relate to, but somebody I like very much is the woman from Sherlock, the only woman who could woo Sherlock. So yeah, I admire that lady, and I also I can relate myself with Monica from Friends. So I'm waiting for my Chandler, by the way. Next.
And what is the craziest thing that you have done?
Okay, craziest thing. There are a ton of memories in CBIT. First thing, it happened I think in my second year. Like these people, the S7 as we call ourselves, they planned for a surprise birthday party, and they ended up on the front door of my house, and I was in my hideous state ever. I was They were on my front door, and they were planning to surprise me, and instead I surprised them by coming from the back door and asking, what the hell are you doing here? And not just that, they went crazy after that. They came up with a cake with a misspelled name of mine. Instead of Lalita, they got us, they wrote what? I don't know, I still don't comprehend what they wrote. So yeah, that was second year birthday. Then comes the third year birthday. Third year birthday, my so-called best friend my so-called claimed crush, Geetika, she forgot to wish on my birthday, and then she comes up with this really long letter telling all her feelings and emotions. And the letter goes like this. You are the chole in my pani puri, the chutney in my dhokla, the leg piece in my chicken. I'm vegetarian, by the way. And this is how she apologized. So although I didn't like the letter then, but yeah, that is one of the best memories that I had with this girl. And then recently, like a couple of days back, after the farewell, we went for a night out, and we were high without actually getting drunk. We did all perverted stuff. We texted random people, and the consequences were really harsh, and we are still bearing them.
Any suggestions?
Okay, now I know you people are already bored with my lectures, and I think you got to know by now that all my lectures are really long. So yeah, last point. This is the time for you to experiment, and like we are not really old to think about the problems that we will be facing. I think you should take that little risk and do whatever you want. So yeah, take risks. Okay, so that's it. Adios amigos. This is Lalita signing off. Bye bye.